There I should write B. Clear? You can draw the DFA by seeing this transition table. No need to see my answer also. Directly you can draw. But still, if I made any mistake, you please inform. A comma A is A comma B. So it's A comma B. And A comma B, small a comma B is A only. A comma B comma is A comma B C. That is A comma B to A is A comma C. Right or not? See here. A comma B to A is nothing but A comma B comma C. I am coming here. A comma B I am coming to AC. ABC to A is ABC. ABC to B is AC. So from here to here, with respect to A I am going. And A comma C is A is AB. A comma C to A is AB. That I already have given here like this. I will make it the changes here because people are getting confused. A comma A is A comma B. A to B is A. A comma B to A is ABC. So I've given arrow mark like this. Then AB comma B. AB comma B is AC. So with C here. With respect to B, I'm coming to A comma C. Then A comma B comma C is A. A comma B comma B is AC. Right? Already A comma B comma C is AC. So I've given this B mark here and I put a mark here like this. Fine. Next, AC to A is AB. AC to A with respect to A. Okay? AB. See here, I'm given arrow mark here. And this A is, that is this A. Okay? A. Going here from like this. Then, A comma C, B is A. A comma C, B is A. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt anybody is having? No response? Rajashree 539, no doubt, sir. What about Shamala, Rajesh 508, 518, 557, 541? These people will not answer. Be careful in like conversion of NFA to DFA. You need to be really clear. Others will face a problem here. While constructing, you should be careful. These all laws you need to follow. That initial state of NFA will become an initial state of DFA. Then writing all like this and any new state. Therefore, that new state you can start constructing the DFA. Sorry, start constructing the transition table of DFA. After that, with this transition table, you can draw the state diagram. That is your DFA. Okay. So, what is the next topic we'll cover? NFA with epsilon transitions. That we'll see in the next class. NFA with epsilon transitions. I don't know what is the problem with your class. Today I have spent a lot of time in talking with you. Instead of subject, I am telling you to attend regularly, listen carefully, asking questions. If you are all listening carefully, I can continue with my subject clearly. But that is not happening. Okay, what to do? Tell the absentees numbers here. We write down. Those are present. Tell here. We'll write their attendance. 1st October, 34 or 34%, I think so. 18 series. Start. 501 is present. Okay. Write down in order so that I can correct from there. 501 is present. What about 502? Those are present from 502 to 503. You can write in this chat box. .501 is present. 502 absent. 503 is present. 504. Please respond in audio voice to respond. 503.
Present, sir.
504. 5. 6, 7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.